Hey there, folks. Today, we're diving into an absolute game changer in the automotive world. Rivian's quad-motor R1S electric SUV has done something that's turning heads. It conquered the legendary Rubicon Trail. Now, let's break down why this achievement is causing such a stir and what it means for the future of electric vehicles off the beaten path. Hi, this is Echo Electric, where we talk about all things concerning EVs. Remember to like the video. If you're enjoying our content, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay connected. Before we get into the video, I'd like to pass on a special message regarding one of our core team members here at Echo Electric. Lewin is a founding writer and editor here at Echo Electric. He is a sickler and has lost 2 siblings to this disease. Lewin has battled the dreaded sickle cell disease all his life, and his health keeps deteriorating as the days go by. Despite the severe, debilitating pain episodes, frequent hospitalization, and bed rest recommendations, Lewin still puts up with creating the unique content we put out here. Lewin is indeed a fighter, and the best we can do for him as a team is to help him stay healthy. Lewin's health can be completely restored with a bone marrow transplant and a bilateral hip replacement. So we call on all our audience and fans to donate and see that he gets these surgeries. We'll really wish that he stays healthy. We hope you'll want that too. Please check out his GoFundMe campaign in the description below. Rivian's groundbreaking achievement continues to make waves as their brand new quad-motor R1S electric SUV pioneers its way through the unforgiving Rubicon Trail, a feat that solidifies its status as the first production EV to conquer this iconic off-road challenge. The Rubicon Trail, renowned among off-road enthusiasts as one of the most demanding terrains in North America, stands as a true testament to a vehicle's durability and prowess. It's not your average dirt path. It's a legendary off-road trail in North America that's got an infamous reputation. Known for its rugged terrain, challenging obstacles, and extreme conditions, the Rubicon Trail is a place where only the toughest vehicles and skilled drivers dare to venture. Its rock-crawling paths, daunting inclines, and unpredictable twists and turns are what make it so feared and respected in the off-road community. It's like the ultimate test for both man and machine, which is why conquering it is a badge of honor and a serious achievement. The trail has previously been tackled by a variety of internal combustion engine vehicles and highly modified off-road vehicles over the years. The Rivian quad-motor R1S electric SUV made history by becoming the first production electric vehicle to conquer the challenging Rubicon Trail, which makes this an even more impressive achievement by the EV brand. Rivian's test and development team accomplished this extraordinary feat by successfully navigating the entire Rubicon Trail using an unmodified quad-motor R1S, marking an unprecedented milestone for electric vehicles in the automotive landscape. Setting out at 7:45 a.m. on Monday, August 7, Rivian's dedicated team embarked on the journey that saw them conquer the 12-mile trail with finesse, eventually wrapping up their monumental endeavor by 3:30 p.m. on Wednesday, August 9. Beyond being a standout achievement for Rivian, this triumph holds significance that reverberates throughout the entire electric vehicle community. Matt Trainum, Rivian's director of vehicle testing, remarked on the achievement, expressing his optimism for the future of off-roading as he stated, "Crossing the Rubicon Trail in a more sustainable way than it has ever been done before makes me hopeful for the future of off-roading." The vehicle that rose to the challenge was the quad-motor R1S in its factory stock form and fitted with 34-inch Pirelli all-terrain tires. Rivian made only minor additions to enhance its readiness for the trail, including the installation of steel rock sliders, front tow hitch receivers, and a roof rack. Starting with an 80% charge, the R1S ventured onto the Rubicon Trail, ultimately completing the rugged journey with less than 10% charge remaining. While a significant portion of the charge was expended, the team was able to reach a nearby level 2 charger, demonstrating the vehicle's practicality even in demanding conditions. During the trail run, the R1S encountered no mechanical failures or tire changes, showcasing its resilience against the harsh terrain. The vehicle did acquire some expected scrapes and dings typical of such challenging environments. Notably, the R1S received assistance from two pre-production quad-motor R1T electric truck models during the initial leg of the journey. Subsequently, a modified Jeep Wrangler took over to guide the R1S through the remaining segments of the trail. Chris Bassett, director of the Rubicon Trail Foundation, weighed in on the landmark achievement, commending the R1S clean run. He highlighted the vehicle's achievement as a significant milestone, as it represents the first fully electric vehicle to conquer the trail, and indeed the first production EV to do so, all while equipped with stock tires. Initially, Rivian introduced the quad-motor powertrain, which played a pivotal role in the company's early vehicles. Subsequently, they introduced the in-house Enduro dual-motor drive units, showcasing their commitment to innovation and evolution. Rivian now stands as a symbol of progress and diversity in the electric vehicle landscape, offering a trio of powertrain options: dual motor performance, and quad motor. Their performance version, introduced just last month, boasts impressive specifications, including 665 horsepower and 829 pound-feet of torque at its peak. Initial assessments suggest minimal, if any, noticeable differences between the performance version and the quad-motor variant, featuring 835 horsepower and 908 pound-feet of torque. In the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles, Rivian's trailblazing achievement on the Rubicon Trail showcases its commitment to innovation, challenging conventions, and pushing the boundaries of what electric vehicles can achieve. And there you have it, the electrifying journey of Rivian's quad-motor R1S conquering the Rubicon Trail from start to finish. We've witnessed the grit, determination, and engineering brilliance that made this feat possible. This remarkable accomplishment showcases the prowess of the quad-motor R1S electric SUV in a rugged, demanding off-road setting. The Rubicon Trail, known for its unforgiving terrain and challenging obstacles, serves as a litmus test for any vehicle's durability and capability. Rivian's successful navigation of this treacherous trail underscores the advancements in electric vehicle technology, firmly asserting that EVs are not just suited for city streets, but they're also more than capable of handling the harshest and most demanding of off-road environments. This feat not only boosts Rivian's reputation as an innovative force in the automotive landscape, but also highlights the immense potential of electric vehicles to redefine adventure and exploration. The quad-motor R1S's triumphant journey through the Rubicon Trail showcases a new chapter in the story of electric mobility, dispelling doubts about their adaptability and robustness. As the automotive industry continues to shift towards sustainable and eco-friendly alternatives, Rivian's achievement serves as a testament to the evolution of electric vehicles. This milestone bridges the gap between traditional off-road prowess and cutting-edge electric technology, signaling a bright future where electric vehicles can cater to a wider array of driving experiences, from urban commutes to adrenaline-pumping off-road escapades. This remarkable achievement not only propels Rivian into the spotlight, but also shines a spotlight on the seemingly limitless potential of electric vehicles in the off-road realm. And there you have it, the electrifying journeys of Rivian's quad-motor R1S conquering the Rubicon Trail from start to finish. We've witnessed the grit, determination, and engineering brilliance that made this feat possible. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video useful. And also don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling EV insights and join the conversation in the comments below. Catch you later. Until next time.